Montero Sport GLS Automatic. Number 1, 18 inches alloy wheel kahit saan lubakan ka pa dumaan. Number 2, keyless entry para hindi ka mahirapang magbukas ng pinto. Number 3, automatic transmission with 8-speed automatic with sports mode. Number 4, electronic parking brake and auto hold para hindi mangalay ang paa mo. Number 5, 18-inch smartphone leak display with Apple CarPlay. Number 6, adaptive cruise control para chill ride ka lang. Number 7, with voice command. Number 8, USB port para kahit saan bundok ka pa, hindi ka malolobat. Number 9, trunk capacity 502 liters kaya pwede kang maglatag ng kama. Number 10, 4N15 2.4 liters 4 inline 16 valve double overhead cam equipped na rin ng Maybach engine.
Pra, apply na.